Hey there! VS Code introduced a new feature that lets you scroll using the middle mouse button. You can scroll up, down, as well as right and left. Before we get started, I would like to thank everyone who supports this channel, especially the 2.24k subscribers. Your support helps me continue creating straight-to-the-point tutorials. Alright, now let's get back and see how we can enable the middle click scroll. Press Ctrl and comma or Command comma on macOS to open the settings. Then search for editor.scroll on middle click and then tick this checkbox. You can also directly modify your settings.json file by adding the following line: editor.scroll on middle click and then set it to true. And now let's get back to our file. If you are on a scrollable area and you press the middle mouse button, then a small icon with arrow appears and also a dot. Then by moving your mouse slightly in any direction, you can scroll automatically in that direction. Up, down, right or left. And the farther you move the cursor from the origin point, the faster it scrolls. It's good to know that this feature might interfere with other actions or keybinds tied to the middle mouse button. For example, on Linux, the middle mouse button pastes content from your clipboard. To avoid these conflicts, enable only one of these settings at a time. Alright, that's it for today. Check out the other VS Code videos on this channel to find out how to customize your editor and boost your productivity. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.